Who can vote in the federal elections, run for federal office, and serve on a jury in the United States? U.S. citizens. Name one example of an American innovation. Airplane. What was the Great Depression? Longest economic recession in modern history. How can people become United States citizens? Be born in the United States. What did the Emancipation Proclamation do? Freed the slaves. There were 13 original states. Name 5. New York, New Jersey, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina. Why were the Federalist Papers important? They helped people understand the U.S. Constitution. Why did the United States enter the Persian Gulf War? To force the Iraqi military from Kuwait. The American Revolution had many important events. Name one. Declaration of Independence. How many voting members are in the House of Representatives? 435. Name one reason why the Americans declared independence from Britain. High taxes. Who was the United States' main rival during the Cold War? Russia. How long is a term for a U.S. Senator? 6 years. What U.S. war ended slavery? The Civil War. George Washington is famous for many things. Name one. First President of the United States. What does the Bill of Rights protect? The basic rights of Americans. What is Memorial Day? A holiday to honor soldiers who died in military service. How many amendments does the U.S. Constitution have? 27. Who signs bills to become laws? The President of the United States. If the President can no longer serve, who becomes President? The Vice President of the United States. It is important for all men age 18 through 25 to register for the Selective Service. Name one reason why. Required by law. Who does a member of the House of Representatives represent? Citizens in their district. Why is the Declaration of Independence important? It says all people are created equal. Why is it important to pay federal taxes? Required by law. Why is the Electoral College important? It decides who is elected president. The President of the United States is elected for how many years? 4 years. What amendment gives citizenship to all persons born in the United States? 14th Amendment. Why did the United States enter World War II? Japanese attacked Pearl Harbor. Abraham Lincoln is famous for many things. Name one. Freed the slaves. Emancipation, Proclamation. There are 3 branches of government. Why? So one part does not become too powerful. Supreme Court justices serve for life. Why? To be independent of politics. What war did the Americans fight to win independence from Britain? American Revolution. Who is one of your state's U.S. senators now? Answers will vary. Who elects U.S. senators? Citizens from their state. When did all men get the right to vote? After the Civil War. What is the economic system of the United States? Capitalism. Why does the flag have 50 stars? Because there are 50 states. Dwight Eisenhower is famous for many things. Name one. General during World War II. What are the 2 parts of the U.S. Congress? Senate and House of Representatives. The executive branch has many parts. Name one. President of the United States. What is the capital of the United States? Washington, D.C. What are 2 cabinet-level positions? Secretary of Agriculture, Secretary of Education. The President of the United States can serve only 2 terms. Why? Because of the 22nd Amendment. Thomas Jefferson is famous for many things. Name one. Writer of the Declaration of Independence. Name one power that is only for the states. Provide protection. Police. What is the purpose of the 10th Amendment? It states that the powers not given to the federal government belong to the states or to the people. Name one power of the U.S. Congress. Writes laws. Benjamin Franklin is famous for many things. Name one. Inventor. How long is a term for a member of the House of Representatives? 2 years. Why did the United States enter World War I? Because Germany attacked U.S. civilian ships. What is the name of the national anthem? The Star-Spangled Banner. What territory did the United States buy from France in 1803? Louisiana. Who is the Commander-in-Chief of the U.S. military? The President of the United States. What did the Civil Rights Movement do? Fought to end racial discrimination. The colonists came to America for many reasons. Name one. Freedom. During the Cold War, what was one main concern of the United States? Communism. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1800s. The Civil War. What part of the federal government writes laws? U.S. Congress. What is the form of government of the United States? Republic. Name one war fought by the United States in the 1900s. World War I. When was the Declaration of Independence adopted? July 4th, 1776. Who is the governor of your state now? Answers will vary. What is Independence Day? The country's birthday. What is one part of the judicial branch? Supreme Court. Name one thing the U.S. Constitution does. Forms the government. Who lived in America before the Europeans arrived? Native Americans. What is one way Americans can serve their country? Pay taxes. The President of the United States is in charge of which branch of government? Executive branch. Many documents influenced the U.S. Constitution. Name one. Declaration of Independence. Who does a U.S. Senator represent? Citizens of their state. Name one U.S. military conflict after the September 11, 2001 attacks. War in Iraq. Alexander Hamilton is famous for many things. Name one. Member of the Continental Congress. Some states have more representatives than other states. Why? Because they have more people. Why does the flag have 13 stripes? Because there were 13 original colonies. The U.S. Constitution starts with the words, "We the people." What does "we the people" mean? Self-government. What group of people was taken and sold as slaves? People from Africa. What is the capital of your state? Answers will vary. What do we show loyalty to when we say the Pledge of Allegiance? The United States. When did the Great Depression start? The Great Crash, 1929. The Civil War had many important events. Name one. Lincoln was assassinated. What does the judicial branch do? Explains laws. Why did the United States enter the Vietnam War? To stop the spread of communism. Martin Luther King Jr. is famous for many things. Name one. Worked for equality for all Americans. How many U.S. senators are there? 100. The words life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness are in what founding document? Declaration of Independence. When did all women get the right to vote? After World War I. What is Veterans Day? A holiday to honor people in the U.S. military. What is the supreme law of the land? U.S. Constitution. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? Thomas Jefferson. Who was president during the Great Depression and World War II? Franklin Roosevelt. What does the President's Cabinet do? Advises the President of the United States. Name 3 national U.S. holidays. Memorial Day, Independence Day, Thanksgiving Day. How long do Supreme Court justices serve? For life. Who appoints federal judges? The President of the United States. James Madison is famous for many things. Name one. 4th President of the United States. What are 2 examples of civic participation in the United States? Vote. Join a political party. Who elects members of the House of Representatives? Citizens from their congressional district. Why does each state have 2 senators? Equal representation for small states. Name one power that is only for the federal government. Declare war. Who vetoes bills? The President of the United States. Name 2 important ideas from the Declaration of Independence and the U.S. Constitution. Equality, liberty. Name one leader of the women's rights movement in the 1800s. Susan B. Anthony. What is the rule of law? Everyone must follow the law. The Federalist Papers supported the passage of the U.S. Constitution. Name one of the writers. James Madison. Name your U.S. representative. Answers will vary. What are 3 rights of everyone living in the United States? Freedom of expression, freedom of speech, freedom of religion. What founding document said the American colonies were free from Britain? Declaration of Independence. How are changes made to the U.S. Constitution? Amendments. Name one American Indian tribe in the United States. Apache. Name the 3 branches of government. Congress, President, and the courts. What founding document was written in 1787? U.S. Constitution. Why did the United States enter the Korean War? To stop the spread of communism. How many senators does each state have? 2. Where is the Statue of Liberty? New York Harbor. Name 2 promises that new citizens make in the oath of allegiance. Defend the U.S. Constitution. Obey the laws of the United States. What major event happened on September 11, 2001 in the United States? Terrorists attacked the United States. Why do U.S. representatives serve shorter terms than U.S. senators? To more closely follow public opinion. What is the highest court in the United States? Supreme Court. There are 4 amendments to the U.S. Constitution about who can vote. Describe one of them. Citizens 18 and older can vote. The nation's first motto was E pluribus unum. What does that mean? We all become one. Name one power of the president. Signs bills into law. How many seats are on the Supreme Court? 9. Who is the Chief Justice of the United States now? John Roberts. How many Supreme Court justices are usually needed to decide a case? 5.
Name the U.S. war between the North and the South.
The Civil War. The answers to the following questions change because of elections. Be sure to check the description box below this video for updates. What is the name of the President of the United States now? What is the name of the Vice President of the United States now? What is the name of the Speaker of the House of Representatives now? Be sure to check the description box below this video for updates.